Is Mistplay really the number one way to earn by playing games on your phone, or is it a waste of time? My name is Michael and I love testing different ways to make money online, and many viewers have asked me about an updated review of Mistplay, so that's what I decided to do. In this Mistplay review, I will give you an inside look, show both the pros and the cons, because let me just reveal right away that it does have both, and then you can decide for yourself whether this is the right opportunity for you or not. So before I log in and show you how this works, let's talk about who can join. And on the website, you can see that you can download it through Google Play. So it's only available for Android devices. That's one thing you need to be aware of. So where it's then available? Well, they don't have an exact list of the countries you can join from. And when I was traveling, I could actually download it. But then when I tried to actually sign in, it said this is not available in your country, because usually with apps like this, it's if you can find it in Google Play Store and you can download it, then it's available. That seems to not really be the case with Mistplay, so that's a little bit confusing. But it does seem like it's available in a lot of different countries. If you have tried downloading it, please let us know in the comments which country you're from and if it works or not there. But anyways, you can join it from a lot of different countries. I just can't say exactly which ones. You have to test that for yourself. If you download it and sign up, then you will be told if you can join or not. But let us then log in and then you can see if it's even worth trying it out. So I have now logged into Mistplay, and Mistplay is first of all an app where you can earn by playing games. And you can see I'm on this gaming tab right now. So what I just need to do is basically to just scroll through here and find the games I want to play. And you can see that it also indicates this, the reward speed, how fast it is, like you earn these units, and you can see what they estimate how quickly you can do that. So that's, I like that they have that aspect of it, and it definitely does offer a lot of games compared to many other apps where you can earn by playing. Whether it's a good option or not, we'll talk about that later. But anyways, you can see you just need to find a game, you need to click it, and then you need to install the game, and then it will record your game time. And when you play, you will then keep earning these both different XP points and units into your Mistplay account. So that's basically how it works, and you can definitely find a lot of games, a lot of fun games here also. So in that sense, it can be entertaining, but of course it also needs to be worth it. But before we go over that, let's talk about a few other extra ways it offers to earn. So if you go to this bonus section, then you can find a few other things. You can see there's, for example, some daily streaks you can earn by inviting friends. You see there's some things that you can just like a one-time thing there you earn, like for example, by following them on Twitter and things like that. Also a one-time thing where you can earn 15 units if you subscribe to a newsletter. So there are a few other ways to earn, but the main way definitely is to earn by playing. But let's go over the value of these units, also how you can get paid and all that, because that will show you whether this is really worth your time or not. So I just jumped to this shop section because that's where you can see the payout options. And the exact payout options will vary from country to country. Where I live, for example, you can see right now I have the option to get Amazon gift cards for Germany for some reason there, and then MasterCard. But that's the only two options I have. And then I can also instead get these avatars and pay for that if I want to. Not really something I want to use my points for. But you see the payout threshold I do like, for example, for Amazon, it's very low. It's around 50 cents. But I have also seen in some countries it offers a lot of other gift cards, and on the website, it even also indicates that you can get paid in PayPal. Some places, not the case for me. I don't know. Feel free to share what payout options it offers in your country in the comments below. But this is basically the main reason that I have decided not really to use it, because the payout options for me are not really something I want. I don't really want an Amazon gift card for the German web shop. I don't really have anything to use that for. MasterCard, I know there are other ways that I find more effective ways to earn free MasterCard. I also have a list of the best options to earn that on my website. I'll leave that below. But overall, it does have a fairly low payout threshold. In some countries, it offers a decent payout options, but it just doesn't offer really that great rewards. And this whole earning system is a little bit confusing compared to many other apps where you can earn by playing. And it's definitely not a way to make a living. If you want to, potentially make a living by playing games, then you can become like a real game tester. I also have a video about real game testing jobs where you potentially can earn a full-time income. I will leave a link in the top corner and also below so you can check that out. This is more for earning a little bit extra by playing on your phone and having fun. Then it can be an option. So to sum it all up, Mistplay is a legit way to earn by playing, and compared to many other similar apps, it definitely does offer a lot of different games, but the system is a little bit confusing and it can take some patience to earn, and it's just not one of my preferred methods, but I do know quite a few people really likes it because it has so many different games. But what it definitely also comes down to is what payout options it offers in your country. So you would need to check that first, because that definitely can be a deal breaker if it doesn't offer payout options you want. But I also have a full written review of Mistplay on my website, and I also have a list of my top recommended ways to earn by playing on my website. I will also leave links to that below this video so you can check that out together with the other links I mentioned earlier in this video. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.